Dina loved learning about new things. She loves learning about bugs, candy, cupcakes, and toys. Now it's time for Dina to learn all about the alphabets.
Tommy, do you know how to see your alphabets? I need to learn real quick before I start going to school. I try to remember, but there's so many letters. I'm like, come on, do we even need all of them? Yeah, we use all the alphabets. The alphabets are letters, and they're in every single thing we say. Your name is spelled D-E-N-A. Those are 4 letters right there. Oh, wow. 4 letters. And I thought I had like 2 letters. That would be easy to remember. D-E-N-A. Slow down there, Speedy. You have 22 more letters to learn. It's not easy, but you'll get the hang of it in no time if you keep singing the alphabet song. That's what helped me. How long did it take you, Tommy? I think it was 5 days. 5 days? 5 days? 5 long days is so long. Well, you probably want to start learning the song like right now. All right. How does the alphabet song go? Does it start with D-E-N-A? Nope. Just stay focused. Listen, then you can practice it. Are you ready? Ready as I'll ever be. All right, here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Woohoo! That was great, Tommy. Now, if you could sing it one more time for me, I think I would get it. All right. Hold your horses. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I'll sing it again, just in case you didn't catch on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. There you go. Now you can sing it anytime you want. You might mess up in the beginning, but you can ask me for help. I'll help you out if you get stuck. Thanks, Tommy. You're so cool.